Today I'll show you how to set up and record an on-air Google Hangout. Start by clicking the Home button and scrolling down to about the middle of the menu and click Hangouts. You'll be directed to a new page where you can choose what kind of Hangout you'd like to have. You may need to scroll down slightly, but go ahead and click the Hangouts On Air button. Here you can see other public Hangouts people are having. A dialog will open where you can fill in the details of your Hangout. Include the name, a brief description, and start time. Choose between now and later. If you choose later, select the date and times. Next, pick your audience. The Hangout can be publicly viewable by anyone, or you can select individuals from your circles or by simply adding an email address. Also choose entire circles like friends, family, and classmates. Once you've set the details of your Hangout, click Share. You'll be directed to a new page that was created for the event. Note that you're now on a page called Events. You'll see a player in the upper left corner with the title of the Hangout. There are 3 buttons to be aware of. Q&A enables viewers to ask presenters questions even if they aren't active participants. Set up a movie-style trailer for the Hangout. And start the Hangout. Notice that we didn't click the play button in the middle of the player, which is something that viewers will click to watch the Hangout. Next, invite guests to be participants in the Hangout. This is different from the audience that we selected a few steps back because participants can speak and share content in the Hangout. Again, select individuals or whole circles and click Invite. It may take a minute for the Hangout to load, but once it does, remember to click the Start Broadcast button, which pushes the session live to your viewers and starts recording your activity. You'll be notified that you're going live, and be sure you don't click the Stop Broadcast button. In a vertical column on the left, you'll find applications you can use within the Hangout, like Chat. Click the icon to open the chat window on the right. Type in the bottom and read messages above. Click the X to close the window. The next app is Screen Share. Choose from a list of programs that are open and click Start Screen Share. Here I've selected to share my full screen and opened my web browser. In a new tab, I'll point my browser to YouTube where I can play a video in real time. Just the same, I could have chosen an application like PowerPoint to deliver a presentation during the Hangout. Next is the Cameraman App. This allows you to manage who can be seen and heard by default in large Hangouts. If you turn any of these features on, you can always manually mute and unmute participants during the Hangout. Control Room is a panel that enables you to mute and unmute participants. Note that you won't be able to turn off the camera of mobile users, but the Cameraman app allows you to keep their video from showing up in the final recording. Google Drive allows you to open new or existing docs that your group can collaborate on in real time. Click Create New or scroll through a list of existing documents. In order to collaborate on the same document, each participant in the Hangout will have to start the Drive application. A notification is sent to each participant in the Hangout when a user activates the application. Click the ellipse or build button And then click Add Apps to browse more useful apps that you can use during the Hangout. At the top is a toolbar that includes an Invite button, allowing you to bring more participants into the Hangout. You can also mute or unmute participants, like using the Control Room app. Adjust bandwidth usage if you're using a slower connection. Adjusting down decreases the quality of your audio and video. Set your default camera and microphone devices. Lastly, there's a Stop Broadcast button, which you'll also find at the bottom. This ends the Hangout for viewers and stops the recording. And now you're set to start hanging out.